We struggle with not knowing why we're waiting. If we understood the reason, if we saw the progress, if we felt movement, we'd be fine. But most of the time it's quiet. Nothing changing, nothing obvious, nothing moving the way we expected. And that's where patience gets tested. Because patience isn't just time passing, it's trust being formed. That's the passion behind it. Not emotion, endurance. Choosing to stay ready when everything in you wants to move ahead, and then there's a shift. Waiting isn't wasted. God is doing something in the waiting that can't be done in any other way. He's aligning things. He's shaping you. He's preparing for what's ahead. But we miss that when we rush it. We try to force outcomes. We try to speed things up. We try to move ahead of what God is doing. And that's where frustration grows, because we're out of sync.